Whenever you want to become something, it comes from your limited past and limited experience. बच्चा छोटा है, उसके पास सिर्फ 5 साल का अनुभव है, तो वो उसी 5 साल के अनुभव के आधार पर कुछ बन जाना चाहता है, और जो बन जाना चाहता है, it's a fancy. Life cannot be led according to that. Similarly, you have a little bit of experience, little bit of knowledge, little bit of information that which has all come from outside, which has all come from your past, and you are hell-bent कि मुझे वही बन जाना है, and which is so very amusing, actually amusing. It should be laughed at. Don't laugh at that small kid. Laugh at yourself. तुम आज भी जो कल्पनाएं करके बैठे हो ना कि अचीवमेंट चाहिए, ग्रोथ चाहिए, it is very very funny. It is as funny as the man, the 5-year-old wanting to become a Mr. Universe, or the other one wanting to become a deep sea diver. All your targets, all your achievements come from your limited, very very limited awareness. Your past is trying to encroach into your present and wants to become the future. And such a future is not worthy at all. आप क्या चाहते हो? आपका फ्यूचर आपके पास्ट का रेपिटेशन हो, जैसे कि एक सीडी फंस गई और बार-बार एक ही ट्रैक घुमा रही हो। ऐसा सीडी में देखा है ना? If there are scratches on it, it keeps on repeating the same track. Do you want to live a life like that, where the future is nothing but a repetition of your past? But then if you lead a life which is based on targets, this is what is going to happen. Your life will become a CD that is repeating and repeating and repeating and playing the same track. All your targets are coming from your very limited input, and life is infinite. Why have you constrained yourself to these few small things? Life is infinite. It must be lived moment to moment. Only then you will look at the infinite possibilities that it can offer. तुमने तो अभी से जीरो डाउन कर दिया, तुमने तो अभी से डिटरमाइन कर दिया कि मुझे बस ये बन जाना है, क्या ये 2-3 चीजें इसमें से कुछ एक बन जाना है. You see, I am very liberal. I keep it open-ended. So I have 3 options. No, not 3 options. Every option must be determined in the present moment only. The movement of life is similar to a ladder, where the next rung of the ladder is visible only when you reach the rung immediately beneath it. यहाँ से बैठ के ऊपर तक की लैडर नहीं दिखती. एक कदम बढ़ाओगे तब समझ में आएगा कि अगला कैसे बढ़ाना है, फिर अगला बढ़ाओगे तो वहां समझ में आएगा अगला कैसे बढ़ाना है. पहले से निर्धारित करके नहीं बैठा जा सकता, और जो पहले से निर्धारित करके बैठे हैं वो अपने आप को बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं. They will make a laughing stock of themselves in their own eyes when they are protected, when they get to. Not right now. In your dreams you may feel very superior, but when you wake up you will find that it is a life that has gone waste. If ever you wake up, it is possible to live an entire life sleeping also. It is possible. All around us there are people who may be 80 years old, 90 years old, but they are still sleeping, and they die. They die without ever having woken up. And if ever they wake up, they feel a tremendous sense of wastage. ये क्या हो गया? Don't live like that. Don't live a predetermined life. What should be the achievement? What should be the achievement? How many of you have ever loved anybody? I am talking of the moment of love. It may be a parent, it may be brother, sister, a friend, a boyfriend, a girlfriend, anything. Anybody? Anybody who has ever experienced a moment of love? Never? जिन लोगों ने किया है, 2, 4, 5 जितने भी लोग हैं, मैं उनसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, in the moment of love, in that very moment of love, do you feel like achieving? क्या उस वक्त भी सोच रहे हो तो? फिर तो बड़ी खतरनाक हालत हो जाएगी. कोई तुमसे गले मिला हुआ कुछ सोच रहा हो अचीव क्या किया. ये कल्पना करो. achieve when you are fully contented. Do you see this? You never want to achieve in the moment of your joy, in the moment of love. You do not want to achieve. You want to achieve only when there is this dissatisfaction, there is this desire. जब वो मूवमेंट होता है कंटेंटमेंट का, उसमें अचीवमेंट की इच्छा होती ही नहीं है, because that moment is sufficient and that moment itself is the achievement. So if you ask me what is the achievement, that moment of joy itself is the achievement. There is no achievement beyond that, and it cannot be planned. You cannot plan for it. शायद 6 महीने बाद आएगा, I'm working for it. What are you doing? I'm working for the moment of joy. No, it is either right now or it is not. It is either just right now or it is not. But then you have been fed with this guide that work for happiness. आज मेहनत करो, कल happiness मिलेगी. आज एग्जाम्स के लिए पढ़ाई करो, कल रिजल्ट आएगा. Life does not operate this way. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आज प्यार करो, कल खुशी मिलेगी. ऐसा होता है? आज खाना खाओ, कल भूख मिटेगी. ऐसा होता है? Does it operate this way? Life does not operate this way. Achievement is the fulfillment of this moment. Achievement is the fulfillment of this moment. It does not lie in future. यही moment अगर attention में है, fulfilled है, तो बस वही achievement है. उसके आगे कुछ achievement नहीं है. There are no grand achievements. There are no special days. आगे आएगा भविष्य में. It's not that. Should we be satisfied or not? पानी पीने के बाद उससे पूछते हो, sir, should the thirst be quenched or not? अरे अगर मिल गई प्यास तो मिट गई, नहीं मिली तो नहीं मिली. उसमें should कहाँ बचा? Is there a should in this now? पानी पिया, प्यास बुझ गई तो बुझ गई, और अगर नहीं बुझी तो नहीं बुझी. अब उसमें should, must, have to कुछ है क्या? और तुम पानी पी रहे हो और मैं कह रहा हूँ, you must feel satisfied. You must feel satisfied. तुम्हें यहाँ पे खड़ा कर दिया with some unknown girl. You must fall in love. You should fall in love. It is absolutely necessary. But then this is how we live our life. This is how we live our life. कुछ भी कर रहे हो, कहीं भी पहुंच जाते हो, कहीं बीटेक में आ गए हो, must be an engineer. वो तो तुम्हारा दिल ही जानता है कि तुम्हें कैसा लगता है. और देर से क्या आते हैं. अब ये छोड़ दो. पास्ट कैन नॉट बी रिवर्स और रिमूव. पास्ट जो हो गया उसको तो कोई रिवर्सल नहीं हो सकता ना. लेकिन ये देखो कि अभी ठीक अभी ऐसा क्या कर रहे हो जिसके बाद में पछताओगे. Do not think of the moment that is gone. Fulfill this moment. Fulfill this moment. आप रोते मत रहो कि मेरे साथ तो बुरा हो गया. I am a victim of circumstances. आप रोते मत रहो. अभी जो कर रहे हो उस पे ध्यान दो. Be very attentive as to what is happening right now. मर्जी खिलाफ है या नहीं वो अटेंशन में जानते. और अटेंशन में तुम सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं जानते कि मर्जी के खिलाफ है कि नहीं. अटेंशन में तुरंत ये भी क्लियर हो जाता है कि अब करना क्या चाहिए. अटेंशन ऑल्सो टेल्स यू व्हाट योर स्पॉन्टेनियस रिस्पॉन्स इज. सोचना नहीं पड़ता. ठीक वैसे ही जैसे एक बार जान गए कि क्या है सांप, तो अब सोचना पड़ता है कि इसका क्या करूं. Should I throw it 3 days later? Should I ask him, sir, आप बुरा नहीं लगेगा? ये सब करते हो क्या? Attention में spontaneous response आता है. Just know and you act. Can the mind be absolutely free of thoughts? Is that what you are asking? Have you all not already experienced it? Are there not moments when your mind is actually absolutely free of thoughts? आप लोग happiness की बात कर रहे थे, and several of you claim that you have had moments of joy. उस वक्त पे कुछ सोच रहे थे क्या? when you are really joyful, are you still thinking? Are you still thinking? When you are really joyful, have you seen that are you still thinking at that moment? तो तुम जानते हो ना पहले से, there are moments when the mind can be free of thoughts, and those moments are of joy, great joy. You know what Sarthak has said? Something very, very dangerous. You know what he's saying? He's saying we run after happiness, but if it is just about to come, we turn it away. जब आने वाली होती है, जब सही में होना होता है, that joy is there, it is knocking, then we turn it away. And what he said is dangerous because it is the truth. You know why it is the truth? Because ego does not like joy. Ego likes suffering. In suffering, your ego is reinforced. You say, I am a victim. You say, I am a victim. And the ego feels happy. What happens in moments of joy? What happens in joy? You have nothing to complain against. You have nothing to complain against. And then the ego cannot survive. That is the reason why you turn away joy when it is just about to come. When it is right on your doorstep, you turn it away. When it is right on your doorstep, you turn it away. You like to be miserable. All the time you have been talking about happiness, happiness, happiness. Do you really think you will take real happiness if it comes to you? You will not. Because real happiness is very, very dangerous. It destroys your ego. That is why it is far safer to remain in suffering, to remain in boredom, to remain miserable. आपको क्या लगता है दुनिया में सफरिंग इसलिए है क्योंकि लोग बेचारे विक्टिम्स हैं? नहीं, दुनिया में सफरिंग इसलिए है क्योंकि हम सफर करना चाहते हैं। हमारे साथ एग्जैक्टली वही हो रहा है जो हम चाहते हैं। हम सफर इसलिए करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि सफरिंग में ईगो खुश रहती है। सफरिंग में ईगो खुश रहती है। आपसे आपकी सफरिंग छीन ली जाए तो आप बहुत परेशान हो जाओगे। आपकी सफरिंग ही आपका इंजन है। जब सफरिंग रहती है अभी तो आप कहते हो फ्यूचर में अचीव करूंगा। आप ये नहीं देखते हो कि जैसे ही आपने ये कहा कि मैं फ्यूचर में कुछ अचीव करूंगा, आपने सर्टिफाई कर दिया कि इस मोमेंट में आप बहुत दुखी हो। जो अभी दुखी होगा वही भविष्य दुखी होना चाहेगा ना। जैसे ही आपको अभी हैप्पीनेस मिल गई, आपके सारे गोल्स, एम्बिशंस, डिजायर्स खत्म हो जाएंगे और ये आप चाहते हैं, ये आप चाहते हैं। सारा प्रोग्रेस खत्म हो जाएगा, वो भी आप नहीं चाहते। इसलिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है।